What's up, everybody? Welcome to Trike Adventures. We're going to do a quick install of a product from BKD Exhaust, their front trunk light. It comes with the alcohol swabs, the adhesive promoter, comes with a light, and it comes with two different connectors. One for just one item, and then I guess the other one is if you already have something attached to your accessory port. We'll just be using this one because it's a brand new bike, so we haven't put nothing extra on it yet, but we'll save this one to the side for later. Seems to be a pretty easy install. You just open your trunk. There's two holes here and here, which we have already cleaned with alcohol, let it dry, and then put the adhesive promoter on there, and we already let that dry too, just to kind of speed up the install video. Just pop this off. Set it to the side. Remove your 4 plastic rivets here, 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 and here. Just pull it out. Set it to the side as well. And you find your accessory wires down here. It should be tagged. It says accessory circuit. And then we've stripped our wires there. You just open these up. And the ground is the black, and the purple is the power. And then that's all you do with that one, that side. Go ahead and pop these up too. Now the light's pretty simple. You just run the wires through the hole. Peel the backing off. Just do it a little bit at a time. That way you can guide it. Snug it up against the hole here. And push down. Push it in there. Pull off a little more. It looks like they've designed theirs to reach from hole to hole. Now on the new model F3s, the trunk has a little notch right there, and it looks like they've supplied enough wire to where we're not going to We're not going to have to drill any holes. You just bend this up like that a little bit. We run under this. And then I'm just going to run it like that, because that right there is where the indentation is. I'm assuming for the stock light, if you ordered it instead. And we're just going to put in our black and red. Attach them. And if you want to take these wires down, you can. Kind of don't see a reason to, but everyone does their own thing when it comes to installs. Just put that up and out of the way. Then you just go in reverse, putting everything back. Screw this back in. Make sure it goes in the right way, not that backwards. Put that back on. And you're done with the install. Close your truck. See how bright it is. That's it. That's how easy it is to install. Thank you for watching. One thing I forgot to mention is if yours doesn't have the little cutout for the wire here, you could always run it through this hole and around through here, and then drill you a small hole and pull the wire through the hole and then straight down. And then you just cut your own wire to length, or you can leave the wire the same length. I'm sure it don't matter. All right, that's all. See you guys next time.